Okay everybody, today I am going to show you how to segment your list using tags. Now this is a really simple process. I am going to show you doing this using AWeber. This is my autoresponder. You may have a different autoresponder. You may have GetResponse. If you have System.io, it's a similar process. I do not have a list though in System.io, so I'm going to show you how to do this in AWeber. So we're going to get started right now. So first of all, you're going to need your list. As you can see here, this is my email list. I've got a little over 2,000 subscribers. I do need to go in and clean that out. I have not done that for a while, but that's a good practice to get into, is to go in frequently and clean out your list. Primarily because I am paying for this list, and a lot of these folks who are on here are probably not engaged, and that's what we're going to do right now. Is we're going to look for folks who are not engaged and maybe try to re-engage them with a new email campaign. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my subscriber list, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select low engagement, because these are the folks that that probably should have more engagement. They haven't opened emails for a while, so what I want to do is I want to kind of spur them into being engaged again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that. So I have 20 subscribers on this page. I'm going to go ahead and select all of my 60 subscribers that are in my unengaged list. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag them. So now I can add any number of tags. I can add up to 10, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and do low engagement. Let's see, it pops right up. So I've already got that tag, but I'm going to apply that tag to all 60 of those subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and click apply. Now I know that it's processing because that's what it says here, and it says I can check that in the bulk status, but now I'm going to assume that it's already applied. So what I want to do now is I want to create a campaign. I could also do a broadcast, but I think with this group I want to create a campaign because some of these people who are on my list actually have converted. So I might want to start sending them promotions. I might want to send them some other products, like ClickFunnels or System.io. So I want to re-engage them and see if I can interest them in some other products. I might even ask to get them on a call, so I might want to do that. Some other things I might want to do is to get them in the Facebook group if they're not in there. I might even want to prompt them to join my coaching program. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over here to automation. And what I want to do now is I want to take those 60 people that I just tagged, and I'm going to create a new campaign. So to do that, and I'm going to have to go and delete some of these. I think if I just go in here to Untitled Campaign, I can pull that up. Okay, so now you get to your campaign editor, and you've got two options here for selecting a trigger. So you can start a campaign when someone's added to your list. You already know how to do that. But now what we want to do is we want to start a campaign when a tag is applied to your subscribers. So we just applied a tag. So I'm going to go ahead and click Tag Applied. And then here's the campaign if I have low engagement. Okay, so that pops right up. Now, I might want to, though, except when the subscriber already has one of these tags. So I might want to, let's say they've already booked a consultation with me. I might not want to have them, I might not want to ask them if they want to do a consultation with me if they've already done a consultation. So let's select that one. So what's going to happen now is that it's going to trigger my campaign when these tags are applied, low engagement, except if the subscriber already has this tag, consultation. All right, so now we're going to drag an action in, and here's where you're going to be creating your campaign. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my send a message in over here. Now I can go in and I can choose a message. Now I can go in here and start choosing a message, and what I might want to do is book a free call with me. So let's go ahead and put that one in. Okay, we'll select that one. And then, of course, I'm going to wait. Now, with this group, because they've already gone through my entire list, what I'm going to do here is I might not want to, bombard them with emails. So what I might want to do is let's do 7 days. So I'm going to do every 7 days. I'm going to send them another email. I could also do a custom time, but we're just going to do 7 days. Now we're going to go ahead and send another message. We'll go back here and choose another message. I might want to do this one here. I might want to do, was it something I said? So I'll put that one in here and select it. And then I'll just keep doing that. So now I'll do another wait here, and then I'll do another 7 days. And I'll just keep going like that until I have my campaign set up. I would say for something like this, you might want to have anywhere from 5 to 10 emails that you're sending out to this particular group to try to re-engage them. So that's how you apply a tag and create a new campaign. I hope this has been useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.